Hello everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Uniquely Tay. This is a special channel update. I know you all have noticed that I have not posted a video in over a month now. It's been about a month. It could be a little bit longer than a month, but from my knowledge it's been over a month. And I had to do a lot of soul searching, and I first had to see what God would have me to do, just not for only my channel, but for my life, my family. And I'm a mother, I'm a wife, I'm a sister. I have a lot of things going on in my life right now. So I pretty much had to take a break to see what direction God wanted me to go in. So as for my channel, I will continue to bring videos. I will be doing videos once a week. That's what I'll be doing. I've been doing the once a week videos now for a few months, so I'm going to continue doing that. But one thing that's going to be a major change on my channel starting next week will be editing. I will no longer be uploading edit videos. Editing is one of the main reasons why I had to take a break from YouTube and to just resurface and see exactly what I needed to do, not only for myself but also for my channel. And I don't know about all of you, but editing takes a lot of my time. A lot of my time goes into editing videos. It doesn't really take me long to do my DIY videos because I've learned how to pace myself with those and to not do everything in one day. But with editing and trying to get stuff out, especially when you have designated days that you like to upload on, that was a challenge for me. And I saw it putting a toll not only on myself, but it was also putting a toll on family life for me. And I wanted to make sure that I was doing the right things, and I had to take a break. So I just want to let all of you know that you will still receive creative videos, great DIYs, home decor, shopping videos, all of the above that I've always done on my channel, but you're going to see those actually unedited. You're gonna get them just like how they are, and I'm gonna still be creative in how I present it. I will try my best not to make my videos too long. I know a lot of people don't like to watch videos that are severely long, and I'm gonna try my best to cut down my steps and to make sure that the steps are not too long, but don't cut down steps to a point where you're not actually seeing a nice and long and formatted DIY. Also, something different that, well, not really different, something that I will be reintroducing for my channel. I'm going to start doing sit downs and introducing all of my DIYs on every DIY video that I upload. I'm going to give you a quick overview of what we'll be talking about for the week, what type of DIY I'll be doing, where I bought my items from, and I'll also start back making sure I include all that information within my description. So, so far as my home decor part of my channel, you're gonna have to make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put all my Instagram information below, so make sure you're following me on Instagram. It's uniquely_Tay, uniquely_Tay. I'll have that in my description box. I'll also have that on my channel itself. I'm gonna make sure I put it and pin it underneath my video, because that's very essential for my channel with the new updates. I don't know who's currently following me on Instagram, but to all of you that are following me on Instagram, thank you so much. I'll be doing more home decor items on my Instagram. A lot of my DIYs that you see me do for now on during the week, I'm going to show you how I style them in my home on my Instagram. That will also help me to not have to do a whole lot of editing with showing you finished products. I will show you finished products on my channel, but I also want to share that 101 styling input also. So that will start taking place on my Instagram. So you'll also see weekly uploads on my Instagram, also as my YouTube channel. And that's something that I really wanted to let everyone know. You will also be receiving shorts from me. I know in the past you haven't really seen shorts on my channel, but you will be seeing a lot of shorts on my channel that will also help me with my non-editing and being able to spend more time with my family and my kids. I know there's some people that it may not take them a long time to edit videos, but I'm not a fast editor. I put a lot of love and care into my videos with editing and presenting material to all my followers and my subscribers. And I love all of you that have followed me throughout the years, that has subscribed to my channel and has also watched all my videos. I truly appreciate you. I love all of you. And right now I just want to make sure that I'm doing what's best, not only for myself and my family, but also for all of you too. And I just feel like this direction is what's best for my channel right now. So thank you so much for tuning in and watching me. I thank you all so much. And next week will start my once a week uploads. And I thank you so much. All right. Love you all. Y'all have a great day.